Are you looking for the best suction electric massagers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best suction electric massagers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wobrikosee 2-Pack Smart Cupping Therapy Massager. The Wobrikosee Smart Cupping Massager offers versatile treatment with 3 modes tailored to your needs: gentle dynamic for light relief, standard for regular use, and professional for deeper therapy. You can customize your experience with 9 intensity levels and 5 heat settings, helping to improve circulation and soothe muscle soreness comfortably. The included remote control makes adjusting settings easy, allowing you to manage 2 cups independently and keep track of your session with a clear display. Plus, the device features an automatic shut-off timer and operates quietly, so you can relax without distractions during your therapy sessions. What we like: multiple therapy modes, adjustable intensity and heat, remote control with display, auto shut-off timer, quiet operation. Number 2. SereneLife Bubble Bath Mat with Air Massage. The SereneLife Bubble Bath Mat offers a full-body bubble massage that turns your bath into a relaxing spa experience, helping you unwind after a busy day. With its wireless remote, you can easily adjust the bubble strength to your liking, whether you want a gentle touch or a more energizing massage. The cushioned surface supports your whole body, making soaking in the tub more comfortable. Plus, the non-slip suction cups keep the mat firmly in place, so you can enjoy your bath with confidence and without slipping. This mat combines comfort, control, and safety for an enjoyable bath time. What we like: adjustable bubble massage, wireless remote control, full body cushion support, non-slip suction cups. Number 3. APXPF Electric Smart Cupping Set. The APXPF electric cupping offers a versatile therapy experience by combining cupping, suction, heat, and red light treatments in one device. You can choose between 2 cup sizes, making it easy to target both large areas like your back and smaller ones such as your arms. With 12 adjustable suction levels, you can customize the intensity to suit your comfort, whether you want gentle relief or deeper muscle therapy. The built-in heat function helps boost blood flow and ease soreness, perfect for relaxing neck, shoulder, or back muscles. Plus, its electric operation means you can enjoy all these benefits without any manual effort, making it great for use at home or after workouts. What we like: multiple therapy modes, adjustable suction levels, heat therapy function, 2 cup sizes, electric and easy use. Number 4. Ambfina 5-in-1 Electric Cupping Massage Kit. The Ambfina Cupping Massage Kit offers 12 adjustable suction and heat levels, allowing you to customize your therapy to fit areas like your neck, back, or legs. This means you can enjoy a personalized massage that targets your specific needs. The kit includes 2 massagers and features a smart 20-minute timer with a clear digital display, helping beginners start gently and avoid overuse. You get 3 cup sizes, so it's easy to treat different body parts effectively. Plus, this device combines 5 therapies: standard and dynamic cupping, red light, heat, and cellulite relief, giving you a versatile tool for muscle soreness and pain relief anytime. What we like: adjustable suction and heat levels, smart 20-minute timer, multiple cup sizes, 5-in-1 therapy functions. Number 5. Recgovt Body Smart Scraping 3-in-1 Sculpting Machine. The recgovt Body Sculptor is a versatile device designed to help you improve your skin and muscle tone at home. It combines scraping, cupping, and massage in one tool, making it easier to lift and tighten your skin while relaxing your muscles. You can adjust the suction strength and choose from 2 modes to customize your treatment for different body parts. Its compact and portable design means you can use it anytime, whether at home or on the go. Plus, the 2 suction cups fit both large areas like your thighs and small areas like your arms, giving you flexible options for targeted body shaping. What we like: 3-in-1 multifunction, adjustable suction levels, portable and easy to use, multiple suction cup sizes,